Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Dollar Mint Old Coin, where we dive into the fascinating world of coins, history, and how valuable old pennies can really be. Today, we're talking about something many of us may have overlooked, the 2018 1-cent coin. Now, I know what you're thinking, a penny? What's so special about that? But stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see how this little copper-clad coin could actually be worth a lot more than you think. Alright, let's take a closer look at this penny. The 2018 1-cent coin might seem like a standard, everyday piece of currency, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Before we get into the specifics of the 2018 penny, let's take a quick history lesson. The US penny, also known as the 1-cent coin, has been in circulation since 1793. Over the years, it has undergone several design changes, but the most iconic version we know today features Abraham Lincoln's profile, which was first introduced in 1909. The penny has faced many debates about whether it should be discontinued due to its low value and production cost. But despite all this, it remains a vital part of American currency today. Now, let's dive into the specific coin we're talking about today, the 2018 1-cent coin. Like most pennies from recent years, this one features a portrait of Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, with the United States of America inscription above and "In God We Trust" below. On the reverse side, you'll see the familiar Union Shield design. This was first introduced in 2010 to replace the previous Wheat Ears reverse design that had been in circulation for decades. The Union Shield symbolizes the unity of the states, with the banner reading E Pluribus Unum, which means out of many, one. Now, let's get into something crucial, the mintage numbers. In 2018, over 7 billion pennies were struck, making it one of the most produced years for the 1-cent coin. So, with such a high mintage, why are some people talking about a 2018 penny being worth more than just 1 cent? Well, while the 2018 penny itself isn't particularly rare or scarce, there are certain factors that can increase its value. We'll get to those in a moment. One thing you should know is that coin values aren't always just about mintage numbers. Several factors contribute to how much a coin can be worth, and the 2018 penny is no different. First, let's talk about the condition. A 2018 penny in pristine, uncirculated condition can fetch more than its face value. These are pennies that haven't been through the wear and tear of being spent in everyday transactions. Uncirculated pennies are especially valuable for collectors. Another factor to consider is errors. Errors can significantly increase the value of a coin, sometimes making it worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. For example, if the 2018 penny has a misstrike, a double die, or some other noticeable mistake, it could be worth much more than 1 cent. In addition to error coins, there are also certain varieties that collectors love. For example, the W Mint Mark pennies produced in limited numbers by the West Point Mint are highly sought after. These are considered special edition pennies, and even a 2018 penny with a W Mint Mark could be worth more. And, of course, if a 2018 penny was part of a special set, like those released by the US Mint for collectors, its value could increase dramatically. So, you might be wondering, how much can I actually get for my 2018 penny? Well, typically, a 2018 penny in regular circulation is worth exactly 1 cent. But if it's uncirculated, you could get 5 to 10 cents for it. And if you happen to find one with an error or a special mint mark, you could be looking at a value in the range of $10 to $100, depending on the rarity and demand. There are even cases where rare varieties have sold for hundreds of dollars, but these are the exceptions, not the rule. So, as you can see, the 2018 1-cent coin may seem like just another penny, but it holds a special place in the world of coin collecting. Whether it's the rarity of certain mint marks, error coins, or simply being in pristine condition, this little copper coin can sometimes be worth far more than just a penny. Next time you see a 2018 penny, take a closer look. It could be a hidden gem in your pocket. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more coin tips and history. See you in the next video.